Okay, welcome back. This is the last one of the Megadrive games. There are some more under the desk to do, but they're Davis Cup Tennis, Sonic the Hedgehog and Aliens, and well, we've done a few of those already, so they can just go to one side. But in the meantime, let's crack these open and see what the plan is. So far there's only been two that I couldn't get going, and that was Spider-Man and the Disney double pack, and unfortunately that was because the EEPROM chip on both of them was dead, causing a short internally. So without trying to sand the chip down and find out what's going on inside, probably not going to know what the problem is. So let's just check this and make sure it's no shorts. This doesn't look like it's going to be the usual problem. Oh, that is interesting. But this one here doesn't seem to do anything. So, do you know what? Let's get the Megadrive up on the desk, find this, plug it in, and yeah, we've got the typical black screen. So I'll give it a quick once over. I'm going to put it back in its shell for a second, because that could just be it being dirty. No. Right, pull it back out of there, and let's try and make sure these all beep. Oh Christ, it goes off up there somewhere, does it? Yeah. Now, all right, where do you go? So they all seem to go where they need to. Yeah, they all go where they need to go. So let's try and add a resistor between here and here. Because, well, why not? No, that didn't do anything, did it? And we did get the words up once. But not this time. Let's put it in its usual place, shall we? I'll detach that from there. And then we will come up and go to 10, 8. I mean, that is the biggest bodge ever, but just need to see if it will work. No. Curious and curious. So that can come off. I guess I'll try the old capacitor. As that was what was wrong on one of the other ones. So we can't even see the solder sucker. There it is. Let's try that. No, that didn't do it either. No. Very disappointing. Oh well. There's the other one of those. Well, that's a mystery. That's what it is. I mean, that might as well stay in there. But that can shut off. And I guess I will add solder to all of them. Okay, so that's all of the pins resoldered. I'll let this be the third one that doesn't work. I mean, okay, it's only columns. I'm not overly fussed about the game. It's just the fact it's unfixable. That's so disappointing. Now what I may do is take the chip off. This Megadrive is still working, isn't it? Yeah, it's still working. But columns still isn't. Well, we can go there. And I think I'll probably take it apart. And this one up here, where the chip's knackered, I'm going to see if I can swap them round. Right, I might not be able to, but I might as well give it a go. Hey, I don't even know which one's which now. Oh, I do. That's the one I've just changed. So, yeah, right. Get them put back together because I'm going to go out and do something, and then I'll come back and get this started momentarily. well, columns is out of the way. Let's have a look at pt5, shall we? I'm not sure. Yeah, Megadrive's plugged in. So let's grab the machine up onto the desk. Turn it on. And yeah, it doesn't do anything. Nope. Give it a bit of a clean. Still doesn't do anything. So let's bring you back over here. Let's get this one apart. Get the old multimeter out. Diode mode. So they all look good. Let's change it to that, which no brakes. So let's put that back in there. Let's see. Well, they all seem to work. So that's troubling. Let's give them a clean up. Right, so that's clean. Let's see what it does when I plug it in. There we go. That one just needed a bit of a clean up. Not a good and proper clean up, but a clean up was what it needed. Let's pop it out. Back in its case. Yep. Happy days. So that one's sorted. Mega Games 2. Nope, nothing on that. So Mega Drive out of the way. Oh, this one's not even got any screws in it. Someone has had this apart already. Let's try the first trick. I'll just zoom that over there so you can see the display. Got a reading. Number 8. Okay. Now that, yeah. I'm just going to clean this one up because it looks quite grubby. Like the last one didn't look too bad, but needed the contacts cleaning up. This one is filthy. Ugh, gross. Let's see if that's brought any joy to this project. And yes, Golden Axe, Streets of Rage and Shinobi are all now playable once again due to some actual cleaning rather than just wiping it over with a bit of tissue cloth. Ooh. I think that still wants more cleaning. Yeah, there's still some dirt and grime on that side, and it feels quite sticky in here as well, as if someone's had flux on it. So I'll try and clean that off a bit as well. And let's try that again. Yeah, happy days. Right, that can go out of the way. And we've got Home Alone. Doesn't do anything, as I've got a fresh baby wipe to handle. Give those a clean, but it does look quite clean already. No. So apart it comes. And as always, we'll do the diode test first. Negative, pin 8, nothing. Pin 9, pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is dead. Does it have a short? Obviously the ones it does short on are supposed to short there, because that's ground, and that's ground. So by the looks of it, we'll dig out this 1.5 k ohm resistor we used earlier and didn't need. And hopefully the soldering iron is hot enough to add some solder here. Right. Those are on. Let's take it out. And there we go, we've got the picture up on screen. What was this again? Oh, Home Alone. But yeah, that's Home Alone sorted. I'm gonna say carefully distress that. I'm going to solder it on properly. And then carefully distress it. pop the cartridge out, put it back in its shell, and yes, we're still working. Yeah, brilliant. So, last battle, no good. Give it a quick clean along there. Nope. So into pieces we come. There's only 2 more after this one, so you don't have to be bored for much longer. And then I think I might start on a pink 3DS. So what have we got? Red to ground. Diode mode, please. Red to ground. You. Number 8. Oh, it's got something on number 8. Straight to this one. Okay. Okay, so everything is going where it should. And that definitely. Okay, let's try that. I thought it came up as working the first time, but maybe not. I don't know why I've just done this, because that might not be the problem. But I've done it now, so let's hope it was the problem. It was. Sorry to spoil the surprise. And there we go. That's another one saved. So last battle is fixed. Altered Beast. Nope. Cleaning does not help it. So let's take it apart and see if we can perform a bit of elective surgery on this poor Sega Megadrive Altered Beast cartridge. Right, what are we going to do? We're going to test it. Ground to you and you, and what about you? Sod all. Brilliant. You could be another 30-second fix. If you've watched all 5 of these, I do thank you, because they are mostly boring, but that has not fixed it. And now it has. Helps if I attach it properly, I suppose. Rise from your grave. Power up. Such an awful game. But now it's an awful game that at least works. Thanks to a not exactly expensive resistor. There we go. Let's just plug it in as it should be. Obviously you'll always see the screen flickering because that's a 50 Hz display and this is recording at 60. Yeah, get out Altered Beast. Now the last one is New Zealand Story. It's a Japanese game. And it gets that far before stopping. And then it gets that far. Well, the New Zealand Story appears to work. So I'm going to give that a clean. So that's slightly anticlimactical. I thought I'd taken out all the working cartridges. Let's try it with the switch up. Yeah. And just for the ultimate test, let's plug it back into that Asian region console. This one here. Great, New Zealand story just works anyway. Oh well, that will do it for today, I think. It's been emotional. Thanks for watching. Catch you on to the next one. See you later. Bye.